Did you know your Android phone has a hidden gallery settings that most people never find? Samsung will never clearly tell you about it, but it's already on your phone. In less than 2 minutes, you can unlock hidden gallery features that most Samsung users don't even know exist. Now let's do it step by step. First, open settings on your phone. At the top, click the search bar and type gallery. Now tap gallery under apps. Scroll down until you get mobile data. Click on mobile data. Click on allow background data usage. Turn allow background data usage off. So after that, go back and tap on battery. Change it to restricted, so the gallery app doesn't keep running in the background when you are not using it. Go back again, click appear on top. Now turn this permission off. Close settings and open the gallery app. Tap the menu on the button, click on settings. Now scroll down and tap about gallery. This is the version number. Tap on it 5 times quickly. You see a message that says Gallery Labs enabled. Now go back. Scroll to the bottom again. You see a brand new option called Gallery Labs. Open it. That is it. You have now unlocked Samsung Hidden Gallery. Inside, you find extra features like advanced zoom options, experimental tools, and other hidden settings that most Samsung users never see. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial and want to discover more hidden Samsung features, make sure you follow for more simple step-by-step Android tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.